Today, I'll show you how to restore the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. If your bookmarks bar disappeared, don't worry. In most cases, it was simply hidden, not deleted. Google says you can turn the bookmarks bar back on from Chrome's menu, and there's also a keyboard shortcut that shows or hides it instantly. The first method is the easiest one for most people. Open Google Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Bookmarks and Lists, and then click Show Bookmarks Bar. Google lists this as the standard way to turn the bookmarks bar on or off in Chrome on desktop. Once you do that, the bar should appear right below the address bar. If you want the faster method, use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, Linux, or Chrome OS, press Ctrl plus Shift plus B. Google's Chrome help says this shortcut toggles the bookmarks bar on and off. So if the bar vanished by mistake, pressing that shortcut often brings it back immediately. Now, if the bar comes back but you're saved, bookmarks still don't seem visible. Check whether Chrome is open in a very small window. Google notes that on smaller windows or lower resolutions, the bookmarks bar can stay hidden to make more space for tabs. So try maximizing the Chrome window and check again. There's also another thing to keep in mind. Restoring the bookmarks bar is different from restoring deleted bookmarks. Turning the bar back on only makes the bookmark area visible again. If the bookmarks themselves are missing, you may need to check Chrome's Bookmark Manager instead. Google says you can still find your bookmarks through Chrome even if the bar is hidden. So, in simple terms, open Chrome, go to Bookmarks and Lists, and turn on Show Bookmarks Bar, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus B to restore it quickly. That is the normal Chrome method for bringing the bookmarks bar back, and that's how to restore the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.